Hi, Miss Desiree. Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Desiree Diamante. I am 33 years old. I'm from Purok Pagkakaisa, Barangay Baluan, General Santos City, South Cotabato, Philippines. I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, sir. I have 2 kids. 1 girl and 1 boy. The girl is 10 years old and the boy is 5 years old.
Who will take care of your child if you come to Hong Kong?
My husband, sir.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 7 siblings and I am 5th child in the family.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am high school graduate. I did not go to college because my parents did not afford my tuition fees.
Do you have overseas experience?
No, sir, but I work here in the Philippines as a household worker for 2 years and 3 months from 2020 to 2023. I work to a couple employer with 2 kids, 7 years old and 10 years old. And I'll do all around household workers like cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, and taking care of children.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I am friendly, honest, hardworking, willing to learn, and respectful.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, sir. I have 1 CS in my tummy 5 years ago.
Why do you want to go abroad?
Because I want to earn money and to support the study of my children.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Are you scared of cats or dogs?
Yes, sir.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I will talk to them about it with a calm voice.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you are going to hire me, I promise to finish my contract and I will extend if you need me. I promise to treat you like my own family and I will learn to speak Cantonese and cook more Chinese foods. Thank you.